Hi everyone. I'd like to talk about a little inconvenience of travel. I blew out my converter in Nepal. It changed the US voltage to Nepali voltage, and I blew it out. I was looking all over for it, could not find it. Luckily, I had a hairdryer that someone gave me for use there. So now I'm in the Middle East and I still can't find a converter. Now I'm without a hairdryer, I'm without hair gel, and now I'm without hairspray. Just the little inconveniences of traveling. But definitely worth it though to travel. Because the more of the world you see, the richer you become. That's not my quote, that's Emirates' quote. XOXO from Sharm el Sheikh, Serena Jade.